In today's video, we're going to take a look at TWLO and a possible secondary entry that we can look at tomorrow. So here, this is not going to be the highest probability setup, but we don't have a lot of those since we've had this recent pullback in the market. So notice that the 513 is actually still in a sell mode and you're below the 50 simple moving average, but I do have a defined risk setup. Now it starts on the daily chart with timing at this last low in TWLO, and then the actually the original zone was 219.79 to 222.88. We went slightly through the top end of that zone, but we are still, holding above. And we have seen buy triggers since then. So if you look at, maybe a lower time frame chart, you'll see that you did have the crossover to the upside on the lower time frame charts, saying that it was okay to place a bet and then have a stop right underneath here. But there's a way to make this really low risk, and that is via the 30-minute chart. So notice that, here you can see you've got the slight new pattern of higher highs and higher lows. So if this last low is any good, then it should hold on a pullback to it, and ideally it should hold pretty much above this it would be above this prior swing low. So the area that I want to look at for possible buy entry is going to be anywhere between 225.64 to 227.80, and it's mostly taking these two prior high to low swings, projecting it from the recent high for the symmetry, and then there's a 618 retracement of another swing, and then a 786 of another. So if, again, that last low is any good, ideally, we hold somewhere within this zone, and then all you need to do is wait for a trigger like on a 1 minute or 2 minute chart against this zone, and then you can either define your risk underneath the low made prior to the buy trigger, or below the low end of the zone, which would be underneath the 225 area. And those of you that would want to give it even more room, you could say, well, I'm going to have the stop underneath the prior swing low. But that's what I'm going to look at